Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put color with eyedropper in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to put color with eyedropper. Now I am go to any slide. Then go to the insert menu, select the shape option. Now I am draw a oval shape. Now we want to change the color using the eyedropper. Select the shape and click the shape fill option and choose eyedropper. Now I am drop color to this picture. Now we can see we added color using the eyedropper easily. You can add another again, select the eyedropper again and add it another color. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.